Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, we will begin with some customization of this mode, and then I will show you much faster access to this feature. So as I said, let's find and open the settings because we will customize it, and tap on the display. On the third position we've got night light, so let's enter it, and now in order to turn it on at this moment, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, a little bit amber, and it is of course in order to filter the blue light. Of course you can adjust the intensity of that feature by swiping. It's really up to you how you want to set it. If you will go to the left, you will set much cooler option, and to the right, much warmer. As I said, it's up to you. What's more, we've got the schedule feature. After tapping on it, we can turn it on at custom time, or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise. After tapping on custom time, we can freely choose the start time and the end time also. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. But let me turn off this feature and let me turn on the night light. And actually this is it. This is how to customize this feature, and now, as I promised, I will show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is just unroll the top bar and find proper icon, which is right here. Here we've got the night light icon. Now it is obviously active, but if you want to turn it off, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. If you cannot find this icon, no worries, just tap on this pencil here. Find the icon somewhere here, and after finding it, just tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first section. So actually, that's all. This is how to enable the night light in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.